Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. If you would win a man to your cause, first convince him that you are his sincere friend. Character is like a tree, and reputation its shadow. The shadow is what we think it is, and the tree is the real thing. The better part of one's life consists of his friendships. And in the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. Every man's happiness is his own responsibility. If I am killed, I can die but once, but to live in constant dread of it is to die over and over again. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to success is more important than any other thing. I am a success today because I had a friend who believed in me and I didn't have the heart to let him down. I have a congenital aversion to failure. What is to be will be, and no prayers of ours can arrest the degree. I claim not to have controlled events, but confess plainly that events have controlled me. Public sentiment is everything. With public sentiment, nothing can fail. Without it, nothing can succeed. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Nations do not die from invasion, they die from internal rottenness. That some achieve great success is proof to all that others can achieve it as well. Surely God would not have created such a being as man, with an ability to grasp the infinite, to exist only for a day. No, the man was made for immortality.